Once upon a time, a hungry fox was roaming through a sunny vineyard. He saw a bunch of plump, juicy grapes hanging from a tall vine. His mouth watered, and he thought,
"Oh, how delicious those grapes must be!"
The fox jumped high to reach them. He stretched, he leaped, he tried with all his might, but the grapes were just too high. After several attempts, tired and disappointed, the fox finally sat down. He looked at the grapes one last time and said,
"I don't want them anyway. They're probably sour."
And with that, he walked away, leaving the grapes untouched. Moral of the story: don't give up on what seems out of reach. Keep trying, your efforts matter. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.